Hey guys, what's up? This is Ravi Agarwal for Zotozo Interactive, and today we are back with a new toy. So it's Hexbug. So let me say, all bugs are not bad, first of all, and this is their original series. These are micro robots, and it's one of the cheapest version they have. It cost $499 Indian rupees. So the main feature they mention that it reacts to touch as well as sound. As I said before, it is their original series. I bought it from Hemlis store in Delhi. They are at Saket DLF mall. So let's just unbox our mini robot. So I'm going crazy for this micro robots. Hexbug. Okay, so it's look good. Looks like a real bug. Okay, so here we have the user guide, a one-page user guide. Okay, please keep these instructions. Okay, and here we have our bug. It's packed quite well. Okay, so the thread is wrapped around so that it remains stable in the box packaging. So here is our bug. As you can see, the see-through part is here and the chip is visible. It has 6 legs and 2 sensors in the front, I think so. Let's hope it works quite well. I think it includes 2 batteries here. Yes, they include 2 button cell. Yes, 2 batteries. So it looks good. A real bug-like structure. I hope it works well also. As you can see, it's quite cool. It comes in different colors, different bug category also, and in different sizes also. It's one of the base model, so I think it will be turned on from here. I haven't read any instruction manual as of now. Okay, so it gets started. The legs are moving. All 6 legs are moving together. Okay, so basically what we read is that it responds to touch as well as to the sound. Let's look how well it works. Okay, so it's quite interesting. As you can see, it's working like a real insect. A real bug. Okay, so what about the obstacle? Okay, so it moves itself automatically as soon as it sees any kind of obstacle. It changes its direction, so it's smart and intelligent. Okay, these are due to its sensors in the front, I think so. it's moving clockwise. After getting some obstacle, it's moving clockwise direction. Okay, obstacle must be of this much height so that the sensors can sense and move accordingly. If we put obstacle lower than the range of those sensors, it does not detect. So it's quite cool. It's working quite well. I don't know what about the sound part and what about the touch part also. Okay. If I am touching one sensor, okay, response is getting generated. If I am touching both the sensors, so it's a quite cool toy. Comes in various different colors and bug structure, sizes also. Quite cool. So let me turn it off first. Okay, so our insect is here. I need to experiment more for this toy, That's it as of now. We'll see you later. Catch you later. Goodbye. Have a nice day.